won't be around.
No, he's not.
You gonna stop by eventually.
But I'm
All right, let's practice. Let's practice.
No.
Come on, let's practice. I'm not recording.
I'm gonna drop 75 on my
No, but I
first
can't
game.
make money like that.
With 30.
It doesn't matter. Exactly, because you're quiet. Nobody expect that from you. Like, look at Michelle talking shit. Oh my god.
Okay, you can show. I'll get over him.
Are you cool,
What do you
bitch?
look for like brown hair?
I'm not talking.
Oh my gosh. How would you look with light brown hair? How would you look?
I don't know. You can hardly see it.
My hair's lighter than his skin.
Word.
Stop playing.
What you want to say?
You said what?
My hair's lighter than your skin.
It is? No. Not that dark.
Not that dark.
I'm not even all black, so I wouldn't be all that. I wouldn't be that dark.
Technically, you're brown.
Let me see.
Technically.
Oh, you really recording and then it's like,
She about to brag. Say something. How many points you dropping?
I'm a black for her then.
Yeah, black.
Yeah.
She dropping 75 on her first game.
Alright.
30 assists.
How many games they winning?
16 steals.
How many games they
They're
winning?
winning 0 games though.
State champs, what?
State champs.
So, no. Why?
No games at all. States.
Because you're gonna play it, right?
Because I'm not gonna play. I'm gonna coach.
Oh, alright. Oh, but
Michael Jackson batted it. I'm the coach.
alright.
Y'all gonna lose every game and go to the counties and win the whole thing. They're gonna be 0.
Even the national, they're gonna be ranked in the nation.
They're gonna be ranked in the nation.
They're gonna be ranked in the
The
nation.
best team ever.
Best team
Because of your
ever.
points. 75, 36, and 17.
I didn't
And
even know
12
dropping
rebounds.
And 12 rebounds. She's gonna have a quadruple double.
Quadruple double, no turnovers
No turnovers
at all.
at all. At all.
The best.
5 broken ankles. One of the girls died. One of the girls died. She bled to death. She bled.
Her ankle popped out of her ankle. Her bow.
It's popped out.
Her ankle popped out of her ankle.
Her bow popped out of her ankle.
Another ankle came out. That's why.
Another ankle came out of her ankle. She had
She
3
had,
ankles.
they all broken. You broke them. You broke them. You broke it in 3 places. You broke it in 3 places. She didn't make it. She died. She bled to
Not
death.
make it.
She bled to death.
She was not able to ever walk again.
Again.
Wheelchair for the rest of her life. She's now a wheelchair baller. She plays wheelchair basketball.
The Olympic team.
That's when you went in.
Not one ankle, but she can't be on clutch basketball.
Yeah.
You destroy her forever.
Forever.
You're done.
None.
Then you got drafted to the NBA.
not even to the WNBA.
Yeah.
The next year. Your junior year.
Yeah.
Your junior year. You got drafted to the NBA
NBA.
to play with Kobe.
Play with Kobe on the Lakers.
On the Lakers.
Number -17. Balling.
Balling.
Balling. First game, 163 points.
God damn.
163 points.
And the team and the whole team had 164.
What team I was to do?
The whole team.
And they had to take 4 points back because he was beasting so much. And Kobe still scored 30.
I don't know why taking a picture.
And Kobe scored 30.
Yep.
30.
And y'all only had 164 and you had 168. And Kobe had 30.
Oh my god.
Yeah, even helped them out.
168 because you started scoring for them.
Yeah, you did.
It was like, yeah, I'm
She
fine.
dunked it. She dunked.
Slap, slap.
What are you gonna do next year, Steffi?
What are you guys bringing?
Nothing, actually.
No.
She would not bring nothing, actually.
I'm bringing cookie.
Actually, we're
I'm
not
already
bringing
there though. I'm already there.
I need that